In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from GCash to Philippine National Bank PNB. By the end, you'll be confident sending funds quickly and accurately using the GCash app. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your GCash account, you have enough balance to cover the amount and any applicable fees, and you have the recipient's correct PNB account name and account number ready. A stable internet connection will also help the process run smoothly. Begin by opening the GCash app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the transfer option and tap it. This brings you to the money transfer section where you can send funds to banks and other destinations. Next, tap Local. This is where GCash lists supported local banks. Using the search bar at the top, type Philippine National Bank in full to make sure you find the correct bank. When Philippine National Bank appears in the results, tap it to open the transfer form specific to PNB. Now enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment to confirm that the amount is correct and that your GCash balance comfortably covers it. If the app displays any transfer fee or processing note, review it here so there are no surprises later. It's a good habit to double-check the number of zeros and the decimal point to avoid sending the wrong amount. After the amount is set, fill in the recipient's account details. Type the account name exactly as it appears on the PNB account and enter the account number carefully. Accuracy matters. One mistyped digit can delay the transfer or send it to the wrong account. If your keyboard autocorrects or inserts spaces, adjust it so the account number is entered cleanly and completely. Before you proceed, pause for a quick review. Ensure the bank is Philippine National Bank, the amount is correct, and both the account name and account number match your intended recipient's details. This brief check can save you time and effort later. When everything looks good, tap Send. The app will process your transfer. You may see a confirmation screen with a reference number and the details of your transaction. It's a smart idea to take a screenshot or note the reference number for your records, just in case you need to confirm the transfer with the recipient or track it later. That's it. Your money has been sent from GCash to PNB. Keep your app updated, maintain a reliable connection, and always verify details before sending to ensure smooth, secure transfers every time. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!